Hello everyone, you are welcome. So we have 2 raised to power 11 plus 4 raised to power 11 plus 8 raised to power 11 all over 8 raised to power 11 minus 1 to simplify. And in doing this, calculators are not allowed. So we say solution. If we have 4 equals to 2 raised to power 2 and 8 equals to 2 raised to power 3, we'll replace them in our equation and it will become 2 raised to power 11 plus 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 11 plus 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 11 all over 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 11 is minus 1. Recall that a raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n equal to a raised to power m times n. So we can move from here to here or from here to here or anywhere around. So here we write 2 raised to power 11 plus 2 raised to power 11 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 11 raised to power 3 all over 2 raised to power 11 raised to power 3 minus 1. And now we have 2 raised to power 11 in almost all the terms. So we say let s be equals to 2 raised to power 11. So our equation will become x plus x squared for this plus s cubed for this and s cubed minus 1 for the denominator. We can factor out x from the numerator as x divided by s is 1 plus s squared divided by s is s plus s cubed divided by s squared over s cubed minus 1 cubed. And if we want to employ a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is given as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, where our a is equals to s and our b is 1. So we want to employ this for the denominator. Our s 1 plus x plus s squared all over x minus 1. Here is x squared plus ab is x times 1, which is x, plus b is 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. So by observation, we see that the s squared plus x plus 1 also occur in the numerator s squared plus s plus 1. Therefore, we can cancel out s squared plus s plus 1. And our equation becomes s over x minus 1. But recall that s is equals to 2 raised to power 11. So from s over x minus 1, this will become 2 raised to power 11 over 2 raised to power 11 minus 1. Recall that a squared times a raised to power 1 is equal to a raised to power 2 plus 1, which is equals to a raised to power 3. So we can rewrite this as 2 raised to power 10 plus 1 all over 2 raised to power 10 plus 1 minus 1. This is 2 raised to power 10 times 2 raised to power 1. We have this over 2 raised to power 10 times 2 raised to power 1 minus 1. So 2 raised to power 10 is 1024, which is 1024 times 2 over 1024 times 2 minus 1. So 2 times 1024, we will have 2048 over 2048 minus 1. And this will become 2048 all over 2048 minus 1 will be 2047. So our equation 2 raised to power 11 plus 4 raised to power 11 plus 8 raised to power 11 all over 8 raised to power 11 minus 1 is simplified as 2048 all over 2047. And this is our final answer. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye.